Welcome to Math146-1. This is your calculus course, and today we will introduce what calculus is. So what is calculus? Isaac Newton and Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, working independent of one another, developed the concept in the 17th century. Originally known the infinitesimal calculus or the calculus of infinitesimals, and that this is also known as the mathematics of continuous change. The two branches of calculus that we will be dealing in this course are differential calculus, which is concerned with the instantaneous rate of change of a quantity and the slope of curves. And the other branch is integral calculus, which is concerned with the accumulation of quantities and of area under or between curves. So both branches are associated with one another by the fundamental theorem of calculus, which is known as limits. Okay, so calculus has wide application in science, engineering, and economics, and that the word calculus now comes from the Latin word which means small pebble. In the 17th century, there was this Leibniz-Newton calculus controversy. They were arguing then who to credit calculus with. Do we credit it to Leibniz or do we credit it to Newton? So I guess it will be best to look at the contribution of each. Gottfried Leibniz, born in Germany, contributed this to calculus. He was a German mathematician who developed the concept of the differential and integral calculus. This concept was greatly used in studying quantities that are constantly changing or varying. He did not start, however, with the derivative as a limit. However, he can be credited with the symbols used in calculus today. Thought to have developed the concept simultaneously with Newton, but was first to publish his work a good 3 years before Newton did. The English mathematician and physicist Isaac Newton contributed much to calculus while he was conducting his study on the theory of gravity. We credit Isaac Newton to the use of the limits. He was credited as discoverer of infinitesimal calculus in 1665 at the age of 24. So based on their contribution to calculus, who do we really call the father of calculus? Is it Leibniz or is it Newton? Now, considering both their significant contribution to this area of mathematics, we give them both the credit for creating this thing that we call the calculus today.